Our day-to-day really is focused in on working directly with the largest insurance companies in the world, and some of the sort of the other insurance companies out as well, on understanding everything from where is their business going, that is to say, what's the nature of the larger business, but also then what are the sort of fundamental things that impact us. So we work really closely on things like climate change, and how do we handle the role of climate change. Is particularly timely given that we're in New York right now. The orange skies of New York right now.
Blade Runner.
But with that said, we're actually looking at how do we use technology to shift the market to being ready for imminent risks, and how do we respond to imminent risks, whether in this case fire, but certainly flood risk, weather risk, and so forth. So it's one of the things we get to sort of look at and work on, is how do we provide that shift in the industry from some sort of repair, replace to sort of more of the predict, prevent kind of thing. That's really the day job. We get to actually work on that. At the same time, we also work on things like public policy around cyber insurance, and how do we sort of understand or work with the industry to help. Cyber is a great example. This is totally a team sport, right? We have to make sure it's good fighting the bad guys together, and how do we actually help people protect themselves. And then the third thing, and last, to answer on the day job, and the things that we really try to work on, is how do we take and understand how the business is actually run. So part of my day job is really sitting down and actually saying, what is, particularly generative AI, it's been rather on people's minds, how does that change the nature of what it means to be an underwriter, or the nature of it means to be a claim handler, or the nature of a CFO? And that is a conversation that I have literally on a daily basis with customers. It's cool.
So you're sitting at kind of, you're helping develop and influence strategy. So at the high level, these big conversations at the industry level, and then also a little bit of stepping under the hood and saying, here's what we can do to help you execute once you've identified and developed that strategy.
Yeah, it's a fun job, and I got it. You can't have it.